Hello, dear learners. CBSC exam term 1, subject Python Computer Science, practice paper set 2. We already discussed about two parts. Practice set 1 solved. Today we'll start practice solved. Practice paper unsolved. So this is the 90 minutes and 35 marks according to CBSE pattern, and this is the first sections, 25 questions, and attempt 20 in these sections. So first question, I'm just starting. Identify the valid assignment operator in Python from the following. Is and in both are the membership. This is the comparison operator double equal, and C is the answer, assignment. Question number 2, which of the following will be a complex literal in Python? So 2 plus 5j, 2 plus 5j plus 2 minus 5j, 2 plus 5j into 2 minus. So all are is answer is D. All of these are the complex number. Complex number, that means real number plus imaginary number. So both of the combination, it's called a complex number. Now question number 3. Online courses, we are creating a dictionary. Dictionary name, online courses. A1 is the key, and multiple value we are having key in it. So A1 is the main. Now start key 5 Jan day 40. Cost, so start 5 January's, and days about 40 and cost about 6,000. Second keyword, start 10 March day 50 and cost 5,000. So X, it goes to length of online courses. So it is asking about the length of this dictionary. So first, we are having two keys. One is the AI, and second one is the ML. This is the main key. All other are sub keys other than values. Start is a sub key, days, cost, these are the sub key of AI. So answer is that X, value of X is 2. So answer is A. So second option A is the right answer. Now what ensure that resources that are tied with the file are freed? So these are the 4 options. We'll have to give the answer, file for freed. So open and close, both are the opening and closing file. Read for reading. So answer is that, and option of B. So it is asking freed. So free कौन करता है? Close. Once you close the file, it will free. Okay, so fourth answer is B. Now question number 5. To write a text file fname.txt, which of the following will be the correct code? So we are having 4 options of this question. So what is the correct code that is asking? So let just we'll check it, then check out the answer. With open, it is right. Right mode is file name. Yes, first one is right. Second one, my file open, file name to text, right mode, my file right object. It is second one be right. With open, file name, read and write is okay. So all of these, 3 of these right. So answer is D. Now, question number 6. This method will return a list of each line in a file. That means which method in four of these return each line as a list. Okay, so answer is that read lines. Read lines show each result as a list. Okay, now question number 7. A text file details text is stored storage device. Identify the correct option out of the following options to open the file in read mode. So we have to find out in correct option for following in the read options. Okay, my file open detail.txt comma rb. So details.txt first one is wrong, because if we are using binary file, that means we have to go dot date file first. Okay, now second one, my file open details.txt w. So we are opening a write mode over here. So write mode, that means open detail text.w, because it will not already created hona chahiye. So open file details.txt, so it is having error. If we create, so we have to write w plus. Okay, now because we want to read na, so we cannot able to read. If we write w plus mode, that means it will be right. Now option third, my file open detail docs, बिल्कुल read mode है, it will create it, right answer. And four one is detail docs by default read mode. So answer is that C, both 3 and 4. Now question number 8, the len function returns. So len function always return integer value. Okay. Now question number 9, what are the possible outputs for x mod 3 if x is a positive integer? So what will be the output of this one? So if x mod 3, so that means 0 and 1 and 2. So C is the right answer for positive integers. Now question number 10, what will be the following statement output? This is the what is this? This is not a tuple. Okay, tuple without. Okay, this is by default tuple. Tuple is equals to tuple plus 2 comma 3. Print tuple into 3. So what will be the output of this? 2 comma 3 multiplied by 3. So it will replicate 2 3 2 3 2 3. Okay, answer is C. Now question number 11. Which of the following statement is not true for access mode write binary WB? Open a binary file for a writing wrong. Doesn't overwrite the data of an existing binary file. So this is the answer of this one. Doesn't overwrite the data of an existing binary file. Okay, so answer is that B. Now question number 12, which of the following method is used to change the position of the file pointer to a given specific position? So tail always show the current position of the file pointer. So ये तो नहीं होगा. This is not. Opening a file. Flush. Just before we study, हमने थोड़ी देर पहले इसको read किया था कि flush करता क्या है. You have seen that questions. This one. Okay. So यहाँ पर close answer था हमारा. Okay. So we are 12 number questions. So change the position of the file pointer. So file pointer position only seek function will change. So answer is that B. seek function. This is the seek function. It will change the answer. SEEK, seek. Now, which of the following statement is true? Question number 13. So first one, pickle module can be used to reading, wrong. Second one, pickling as a limited function, load, not. Pickling use of is wrong. So fourth one is the answer. Pickling is implemented using the function dump. So function dump, if you want to implement pickling function and binary file for see the, so we have to use dump function. Okay, now question number 14. Anahat want to set the file pointer to location 5 characters ahead of the current location in a file. She uses the seek function file pointer dot seek offset reference point. What should be the reference point? So by default reference point is 0. So it will be next 1. So answer is that B. Now question number 15. To use the function within a module, you have to import the module using which of the following statement? So answer is that of 15. Import module name, import. Okay. So import module name is right. From module name, import file name, function name, right. Import module name as alias, right. So all of these, this answer we can import 3 of types, any type of this one. So all of these answer. Now question number 16. What will be the following code output? Define a function number value, x value 10, y value 5, and z equals to 2. So return z into x into y. So values that calling the functions 2 obliques 2. So what will be the output of this? So already we are having z value of 2. So x 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Answer is that C. Now question number 17. Statement within a function are executed when? And that means function is defined. No. The program stop execution. No. By importing a function. No. Answer is that B. The function is invoked. When function always executed when we call or invoked a function. Question number 18. The delimiter is a tape separated value file. CSV is. So which one is that answer? If either we use comma or colon. So no, sorry, comma, and answer is that tape. So comma CSV file always separated by comma either tab. So comma is not there that place. So we our answer is that C, tab. Now question number 19. Which of the following is the correct way to open the CSV for marklist.csv to append informations? So which of the following is the correct way to open CSV file marklist to append informations? So what is the correct way? So my file open marklist.csv w plus new line. Okay. Yes, this is the correct way. Answer is that A. A is the right answer. Okay, 3 are wrong. So A is the first one is the answer, right? This one A. So I am just annotating this one, and where is the A? Okay, A is the answer. Okay. Now CSV stand for comma separated values. Which function write items is an iterable, separating them comma characters. So write row is the right answer. Now, like, let me clear our drawings and close. And now move question number 22nd. Manav is creating CSV file to write write data as a comma separated records using Python. Which two files will be created after this? So first one dot csv and dot py will be created. So answer is that A. Question number 23. Sorry. 22nd. Question number 27. Answer A. Now, which of the following statement is false? Comment can be single line or multi-line. True. Comment can be written at the end of the code lines. Yes, we can write wherever, either starting or no issue. Command in Python code are ignored by the interpreter. Yes, true. Command in Python can begin with the symbol. This is the wrong. Okay, so D is the right answer. Now, Shirish wants to write. Right answer. Now, Shirish wants to write a code to create binary file, my file dot dat, to store the data from a nested list record. Which of the file code will work from him? So question number 24. So we are writing over here, my file object pickle dump. This is the date file, and we are storing the record, not opening the record. So first one is wrong. Okay, now with open WP. Okay, create binary. So second one we are writing. Okay, so second one is no, it will not load. Wrong. Now third one is that object pickle dot record file object C. So C option is not uh, not correct. And with open dot W plus B. Yes, D is the right answer. Okay, so D is the right answer. Now question number 25. Key is in a dictionary. So key in a dictionary. So are unique and immutable, are not immutable, are not unique, can't be string. So A is the right answer because a dictionary key always unique and immutable. We can change value, but we can't change unique. Okay, keys. Now section B, question number 26 to 50, attempt any 20. So 26 question number. Okay, what will be the output of the following code? We just creating a dictionary. 12 dozen 20 score 100 century. Tuple new tuple dot dictionary. Now tuple new of second. So we are checking slicing. What is the second of tuple? So you have seen that 0, 1 and 2. So answer is that 100 B. Okay, now question number 27. The text file waiting.txt contain the following line. The song I came to sing remains unsung to this day. What will be the output of the following code? Text, open a file, create a variable, read a file, list of data, create a variable, and data dot split and blank and print line of list of data. So what is the answer of this? So we are right, just the song 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11. So total waiting dot text, if we split the data in divide part, so 11 words is here. So answer is that 27 of C. Okay, now 28. Identify the output of the following Python statement. Tuple January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Result tuple 2 of 2 and print result. So tuple, this is the 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, and this one is we have to, okay, and this one is 2, and this one is 1, and this one is 0. So 0, 1, and 2. Now asking tuple 1, 2 of 2. So 2 of 2, 0. Yeah, that means 0, 2 of 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So answer is that C, July. Now question number 29. Identify the output following in Python statement. Product is equals to 1, x of 2, while x less than 8, and product is 2, product multiply by x. So product is 1 and x is equals to x plus 2. Now print product. So what is the output of this code? It is asking our errors. So just look at this. I am just some okay. So you have seen whole the code, and now what will be the output of this code? So 2 less than 8 is here. 2 multiply 1. 2 store 2. So now x of value 2 to the 4. So now once again 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3. 3 into, so that is the method. And if you try to logic 8 less than 0, so first one x value is 2 less than 8, 2, product is 1, 2 1 ja 1, and 2. So now 2 plus 2x 4. Okay, so now x value next time 4. 4 less than 8. Now 4 to the 8. 8 and 2, 10. Now next, moving over here, whenever until will not remove the value. Sorry, false the condition. So answer is that question number 29, 48. Okay. Now question number 30. Identify the output of the following Python statement. 4 number in range 20, 30. If num mod 3 double equals to 0 and num mod 2 double equals to 0. So what is the answer of this in this range? Print number and tens. Just try to idle. I'll just showing the answer. 24 is the answer of this question. Now 31. Identify the output of the following Python statement. Remarks. This is the list. Good, excellent, average. Remark dot insert 1, not percent. Remark dot insert 3, not 12, and print remark -4. So -4, that means is -1, -2, -3. Reverse order में चलना है. So answer is that if we try 31, we just check it. Okay, so first one insert not present, and so remark first -4. So we are over here 1 and 3 यहाँ पर not inserted, so 0, this is the 0. Okay, and first this one 2 and 3, and that is 4. Okay, so okay, so it is asking -4. So -4 jab will insert of this. So answer is that question number A, 31A, not well. So you can just pick it one and code your idle not well showing in reverse order -4. Okay, now question number 32. Shaila wants to add a string to an existing binary file using the code below. Info string, adding more info to the file with open binary file mode a plus b as an object. So what will be the code we have to write in this statement of line? So what will to write 32? We have to write dump info string and objects. So dump over here. Okay, and after that we'll have to write info string and then objects. So answer is that B. And thank you. Next part, solution sample part 2 I will provide very soon. Thank you, have a nice day, and bye.